This outstanding terrazzo installation on a university campus was part of the interior remodel of an 1889 building. Craftsmanship and attention to detail are evident throughout. 3 subtle shades of epoxy terrazzo distinguish functional zones for navigation. The central corridor is highlighted with a classic white designed to reflect light, while mirror and glass chips add depth. The terrazzo design is appropriately restrained. A harmoniously constructed interior juxtaposes bright contemporary finishes with original exposed stone and natural woodwork. A significant portion of the terrazzo in the main corridors was installed over the original heavy timber and wood-framed floors. Structural engineers were consulted, and the undulating floor was reinforced with layered plywood and crack isolation membrane. Care was taken to factor in deflection limits and floor leveling to achieve a uniform appearance. The open elliptical staircase was poured in place and is beautifully executed. Climbing through 4 unevenly spaced levels and accented by 39 3-inch inserts, it was completed in under 3 weeks. The 7,500 square foot project took place in sub-zero weather in multiple phases. Let's give a big round of applause for this exceptional project at the University of Minnesota's Pillsbury Hall, installed by Advanced Terrazzo and Tile Company of Coon Rapids, Minnesota.